Hey y'all, let's decorate some Halloween cookies together. For my cat cookie, I need a very dark gray, so I'm gonna pull out charcoal and start with 5 drops. It landed me to a medium gray, which is great, but I want a deeper tone, so I added 5 more drops, which resulted in the super dark rich gray that I was looking for. Oh, and this is about 8 ounces of royal icing. And don't forget, colors do develop as they sit or dry on your cookie, so you can stop a shade lighter than what you need. It will likely achieve that and even darker. And this always comes up. Yes, I use the same consistency icing for both outlining and flooding, thanks to my genius sugar art husband. So I have a cute pumpkin cookie I need to color as well, and literally only needed 5 drops. I could probably have stopped at 3 and let the color develop too. But of all the fall colors, I absolutely love the pumpkin. It is so true to a true pumpkin color. Now, violet impressed the heck out of me. It took 3 drops, y'all. 3, and I probably could have stopped at 2. Years from now, these sugar art gel colors are going to be known as the GOAT. And no lie, I only learned that meant greatest of all time this year. I'm kind of lame, but these cookies are super cute. Now, I like to make simple cookies with a big impact, so let's do that. I scoured Ed's website and found 3 very Halloween luster dust: black, pearl, orange, and violet. Next, we're gonna need the color solution and some food-safe paintbrushes. Now, you've probably seen videos by me in years past where I taught you how to make edible metallic paint with the color solution or Everclear with our FDA compliant luster dust, and I accidentally figured out a much easier way to apply edible luster dust to cookies, and I'm gonna show you that now. The cookies have to be 24 hours dry, and lightly brush on the color solution all over your cookie or on the sections of your cookie where you want a metallic finish. Then quickly grab the luster dust and buff it onto the cookie. That is it. That's all you have to do. And I love this technique so much because you don't have to figure out the consistency between your liquid carrier and the luster dust. This color solution acts as an adhering agent, and it really binds the luster dust to the cookie. This technique works on fondant and chocolate. I have demonstrated this for a few years now, and I absolutely love this way of applying luster dust. I would go so far to even argue that it is more shiny than creating your own edible metallic paint. You can argue with me on that one, but I think I'm right. And unfortunately, this is not going to work with Everclear or vodka. You have to use the color solution. It has those special gums inside of it that help it adhere to the surface of your confection. So you got to check it out. I promise if you use our luster dust with the color solution, you will be so stoked. Well, actually, use the color solution first and then our luster dust. I know I had to reverse it. Let me know if you've tried this in the comments, and thank y'all for being Team Sugar Art.